What's going on, guys? This is Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2022 Porsche Cayenne S Coupe. This vehicle is powered by a 2.9 liter twin turbo V6 with 434 horsepower and 405 pound-feet of torque, made it to a 8-speed Tiptronic S automatic transmission. So I really like the Cayenne Coupe. I think it looks really good. Not all coupe SUVs look good, but Porsche did a great job designing the Cayenne Coupe. So this one has, you know, the really good balance of screens with the gauge cluster. You have a center tachometer, which is fixed and it's analog, and then you have screens on the side. So I think it's very tastefully done. I've always liked Porsche gauge clusters. They always look awesome. You also have the Sport Chrono package in this vehicle. And today I'm wearing a Tag Heuer, which is always a good combination with the Porsche. And you can also change your drive modes over here. Sport response as well. You have heated seats. Ventilated seats are not standard, it looks like. You have the suspension button over there. Put the vehicle in reverse and you have a 360 view camera as well as a regular camera. Porsche cameras have never really been good. I mean, it's alright, it does the job. You have black leather seats in here. You also have a panoramic sunroof, which is cool. And the rear seats look like they have a lot of legroom. Very nice steering wheel. Metal shift paddles. Very, very nice, and great materials in here, as all Porsches have. Well, let's walk around this Porsche and see what it looks like. And there's a Sport Chrono app to set your time and do record your lap times and everything like that. You have a Bose sound system. This one's finished in Dolomite Silver Metallic. Very nice color. It looks gray and silver in different angles. You have really nice wheels on here too. LED headlights. Looks quite beautiful. Here are the rear seats. You also have the Porsche cargo mats, or, you know, all-weather mats in here. AC vents for the rear passengers. The back of the car is gorgeous. You have quad outlet exhaust, Cayenne S badge in the center, a very nice Porsche light bar. This looks so good. It's such a clean car. And this one's in amazing condition. It's a 22 with low miles. Looks like a brand new vehicle. I love it. I drive this all day. It really does look like a new car. Whoever owned this before took great care of it. But it's now time for us to test drive this vehicle, see what it's like. And the Porsche logo glistens in that sunlight. So nice. You guys know I love Porsche. Sounds quite good. You know, I'm really not a huge fan of silver cars, but Dolomite silver is a beautiful color. It's one of the only silver cars I would drive because it's so well done. Has a nice hue to the paint, and it looks gray and silver at the same time depending on the light you're in. You know, it kind of looks like chalk in dark light, which is funny. That exhaust is very nice and subtle, but yet it has a nice growl to it, and pops and burbles on downshifts. This car is very nice. This is not necessarily a speed demon or anything like that. This isn't a Turbo S or anything, but it's still fast. It's fast, it accelerates well, the transmission feels great, as do all Porsche transmissions. I like the ride height. nice acceleration. That is awesome. This vehicle has roughly 27,000 miles on it. I just love that clock. It is so, so beautiful. You put your foot down and it responds so well. You know, Tiptronic transmissions from Porsche used to be clunky back in the day, but these newer Tiptronic S transmissions in the Cayennes are fantastic. And the reason why the Cayenne doesn't have PDK is because, like, you know, some people like to tow with the Cayenne, so PDK is not really the best transmission with that. I mean, this one even has a tow hitch on it, so that kind of makes the point right there. But the Cayenne's better suited for a Tiptronic than PDK in general. You'll find a PDK in a Macan. I mean, they don't make the gas-powered Macan anymore, actually, but I mean, I'm talking about Macans in general. But if you're looking for a Cayenne, I would strongly suggest getting an S model like this or above. The regular Cayenne doesn't really have the power and the driving dynamics plus the look that you'd want when you get a car like this. But the Cayenne S is like a perfect balance, price point and all the equipment. Like, this one has everything you'd want, right? Good performance, beautiful looks, quad outlet exhausts. I think all of them come standard with quad outlet exhausts. And this one has sport chrono package. It's very well equipped. It's quite nice, gotta say. And steering feels fantastic. I really do think this Pacific Cayenne is absolutely gorgeous. And it's so nice to drive. I would definitely daily drive this. It's so elegant. What a beautiful vehicle. It looks like there's no wireless charging tray. I'm a little bit disappointed by that, but you know, at least you have a place to store your phone. What, you keep it in the cup holder in the center console or over there, whatever works for you, you know. And I really love this on Sport Chrono package, how you can change your drive mode on the steering wheel. Oh my god. And the sport response mode is awesome. It'll give you like a boost to accelerate 20 seconds. I love this car. You know, I'm not really like a SUV guy, but I really would drive one like this, right? This is just, I just love the coupe-ified version of this Cayenne, you know? Because it looks sporty, it doesn't give off like the family car vibe or anything like that. It's just such a balance. You can do everything with this car. Such an amazing balance of performance, sportiness, utility, everything you'd want out of a Porsche. But overall, I thoroughly enjoyed driving this 2022 Porsche Cayenne S Coupe today. Absolutely elegant SUV, very, very nice to drive, and I truly love it. This specific Cayenne is available for sale right now at Grubbs Infiniti in Grapevine, Texas, so if you're interested in this one, be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below. Thank you as always for watching Drew Drives, and if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. I will see you all in the next video.